In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deductions in Zoho Payroll. Whether you're managing a small business or a large organization, it's crucial to set up payroll deductions accurately to ensure smooth financial operations and employee satisfaction. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar after you've logged into your Zoho Payroll account. The sidebar is your main hub for accessing different areas within Zoho Payroll, making it a critical tool for efficient navigation. With all the various options, it can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's designed with user-friendliness in mind. On the sidebar, you're looking for an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of various configuration options for tailoring your payroll system to fit the needs of your business. What you're going to do next is locate Setup and Configurations. It's usually positioned towards the top, providing quick access to fine-tuning your payroll settings for a reason. Zoho aims to make it straightforward for users to customize their payroll components. Within the Setup and Configurations area, you need to look for an option called Salary Components. This is where you'll manage the various parts of your employee's pay structure. Clicking on Salary Components will take you to a section dedicated to managing both earnings and deductions. For our purpose today, we're focusing on deductions. Once you've clicked into Salary Components, you should then see a tab or section specifically labeled Deductions. This is the dedicated area where you can add any payroll deductions that may apply to your workforce. It's important to note that deductions can include a range of categories like health insurance, Social Security, or retirement plan contributions. Consult your company's policies or financial advisor if you're unsure about the specific deductions that need to be included for your employees. By clicking on Deductions, you're brought to a page where you can add new deduction categories, tailor existing ones, or remove any that are no longer applicable. This page is intuitive and designed for flexibility, giving you the power to adjust as necessary. To add a new deduction, often you'll see a button or link, usually labeled something like Add New Deduction. Clicking this will typically open either a new window or a pop-up, prompting you for further details. As you fill in the details for this new deduction, be precise about the name and any associated rules or percentage rates. The details you input here will directly impact how the deduction is calculated across payroll, so double-checking your work is always a wise step. And there you have it. With these simple steps, adding deductions in Zoho Payroll becomes a straightforward process, helping you ensure your payroll system aligns perfectly with your organization's financial requirements. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.